Want to navigate the Epic EHR system like a pro? I'll show you the basics to get you started with this powerful healthcare management tool. Epic EHR is widely used in healthcare to manage patient data, appointments, and prescriptions. Let's walk through how to use it effectively. Start by opening Epic on your desktop or device. Log in with the credentials your organization provides. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. You can access patient records, appointments, and medical history here. Familiarize yourself with the Patient Search bar for easy navigation. To view patient records, use the Patient Search bar. Enter the patient's name or ID to access their medical history, test results, and provider notes. Scheduling appointments is easy. Go to the Scheduling tab, pick a time slot, and confirm the appointment. To add progress notes or prescriptions, click the Charting tab. You can write detailed notes and add medication orders directly into the system. After finishing your tasks, click the Sign Out button at the top right corner to securely log out. That's a quick rundown of Epic EHR. If this tutorial helped, hit subscribe for more healthcare tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy charting!